Hey guys, Timothy YouTuber here. I am back with another video, and in the last video I tried making a redstone vending machine, and then I failed. But I did more research on how to make one, and this one is gonna be good. It is gonna be looking pretty good. You're gonna drop an item and everything, and you pick the block you want or the item you want it to get, and you got it. But guys, here are the materials. You would also be wanting oh, I keep forgetting to add this. That and a log. So I am going to go and grab all this stuff so we can make the thing that we need. Okay, so first we'll be making a payment system. So you have to dig down 3, 2, 3, and then you would want to place a chest like that. And then you would want to place this, and then you would want to go 1, 2, 3. You'd want to go 2 with that one, and 1 like that with that one, and 1, 2, 3 with those. And you would want to go 2 with those, and there you go. And then let me guess. Hold on guys, I have to think for 1 second. Okay, so you want to get your redstone comparator. You want it to come out of the hopper, then the repeater, and then redstone down in there. And you want to take your the wood, which I have right here, and you want to place it there. Then redstone torch there. Then you want to take your repeater, and redstone dust there. Then the left this comparator. You want to dig down the 2 blocks right there. And redstone dust that. And then you want to place that there. Okay. Then place the redstone dust there. Oh guys, I forgot to tell y'all we need dirt as well to get this covered up. Because we're gonna be making it. We're gonna be going back to that in a little bit. So you'd want to take out these. Then we'll be making the payment wall, the selection wall. So you would want 2, 3, and then that, and then that, and then you want to get rid of your these items, all except for that, the chest and the note block. Okay. So. Oh yeah, and you'll be needing your item frames. Then you want to do making 9 right there. So and now we're gonna be building the Dakota for the item frame, so you can pick it and stuff. So you'd want to have your wood. You'd want to place one there. 2 right there, and then 1 right there. And then you want to take your I think your repeaters. Or comparators. Right there, and right there. And you would want to expand it by 8 blocks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you want to take a redstone dust and put it all along those wood blocks. And oh yeah. And then next you'd want to take a redstone repeaters and bring them all the way down. So not to mess up the tick delays on all of them. And then you'd want to place all wood blocks right there. Then you may want to place more blocks on top of all these repeaters. Let me get this. So yeah. And then you'd want to take a redstone and put all them right there. And you'll want to place some more repeaters right here. Yeah. And then above all these repeaters, you want to place a block. So let me get this started by doing that, because it doesn't work on couch. Because look, it goes up instead. So I want to do it this way. Make sure, and then you want to take some redstone torches, and you would want to do it, put them all right here, and make sure they are not touching the ground, because if they're touching the ground, they will not work. You'd want to take out your droppers, and you would want to place them all upwards right here. And as you heard, they just clicked. But which is good. It's good because it's part of the plan for this. And now another dropper there. And now you would want to be placing 2 hoppers right there, and then you would want to make it curve and make it all the way to the end of the droppers over here. So, hold on guys, I need to do something. Okay, so I need to get on the edge of this and do that and break this block. Okay, so you would want it across because you want all these connecting to each other, which can make the thing. And I'll see you right in a sec, guys. Okay guys, as you see, I am couching, so that means you need to put more wooden blocks all on here. And then yeah, you'd want to place redstone, you'd want to place redstone all along here. And if you wonder why I add this, it's to make sure not connect with that, because if it connects to that, it will be a total disaster. And you'd want to place a redstone torch like there. And then you'd want to take out some dirt. Then you would want to place 2 blocks right there. And one coming right there. And place your 4 main redstone. And is connected to this redstone, which makes it a whole lot better for the machine. Okay, and I'll see you right in a second. Okay, so the last step is to add our note blocks. So we're just gonna place them all there. And then we'd want to get our dirt out as we go to the other side. So I believe put dirt there, then take our note block, put it on the top of this. So make sure you hold crouch and put it right there, like that. And then I believe you'd want to take your ooh. You would not want that on, and you'd want to take out your repeater. Okay, so you'd want to take another dirt block and place that and place it there. Make sure you have your repeater there. And then you'd want your repeater. Wait. Okay, you would want to place a repeater there. Yep. It should be powdered in there. Get rid of the dirt from under there, guys. Guys. I'll have to replace this again. I am sorry. Okay. Take the dirt from under there. Then, as I mentioned at the start, we were going to come back here and work again. So we want to cover that up real quick. Okay, guys, I am back, and we're going to figure out the configure payment. So let's go to that second hopper right there. You only want to take 63 emeralds and 4 beds. Make sure it is beds because it is not a movable item. Then we would want to take our grass, which is somewhere right here, and then cover it up, that, and then you'd want to place the items. Oh wait, hold on, let me get all these items in so you guys are. Okay, guys, I am back, and as you see, my payment options are emeralds, and I don't even know why this stuff keeps reappearing in my hand after it's not supposed to be there. But guys, let's pay it now. Let's pay. There we go. And give us the stuff. Give us our stuff, huh? Yeah, I wanted chicken. So give me the fried chicken. So hope you like my texture pack. And I hope you like my videos, cause maybe next time I think I'll try a better one, cause this is a lot of confusing crap. It is good. It works. It takes the payment. See, I put the whole thing in, and like goes one by one. Guys, please comment, subscribe, and like all my videos. And I'll see you all next time. And I hope you like my texture pack too. Just say like my texture pack in the comment section below, because this is an awesome texture pack. Took a while to get on. And guys, I'll see you all later. Bye.